bag for a year now and I still love it. I just think it's so unique. I love the shape and I love the color combination here, and I like how versatile this bag is. This is definitely one of my favorite handbags from Louis Vuitton. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yue. I do designer handbag reviews as well as reviews on beauty and skincare products. If you like this type of content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and come back to check out my new videos every week. I upload every Friday. I do work full time, so if I have a little bit extra time, I may have an extra video sometime maybe on Sunday, sometimes maybe on Tuesday, but I will make sure I have at least one video every Friday. I decided to talk about this beautiful handbag from Louis Vuitton because I got an email from Louis Vuitton, saw their new commercial of the leather version of this bag. This bag is called Boite Chapeau Souple. I hope I said it right. I mean, it's French. I don't speak French at all. So I think this was first released last year in monogram, and then they released this giant logo in May or something. I got this last June at the Louis Vuitton store in King of Prussia Mall. That's the mall that I usually go to. It's about 30 minutes away from me. For this bag, I paid $2,600 US. After the recent price increase, I couldn't find this bag on their website anymore. However, they have this bag in the monogram still. I think it's $25.50 US, and they just released this bag in the leather version. I got this pattern because last year I was going to get the Speedy B30 with the giant logo, but they didn't have that in the store, and I saw this on the display. This was on the display. I was surprised, so I asked my SA if I could try this on, and boy, I didn't think I would like this bag until I tried it on me. When this bag was first released, I wasn't really sure about the style because it's round, you know, and it's not a typical bag from Louis Vuitton. But when I tried this on, I was like, wow. And I just think if you are able to get your hands on it, if you do like the style, I do recommend getting this bag. The one I have is the reverse canvas with the big giant LV logo. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I guess this is a limited edition since they don't have this anymore on the website. So I'm actually very happy that I have this in my handbag collection just because it's so unique. I saw this in the store, so I'm not sure how hard it is to get this bag. Obviously it was not so hard for me, but you may need to contact your local Louis Vuitton store and ask if they have this available in the monogram or the leather. On the front they have this luggage tag, and it's super cute. And some people may mind about the leather here, but I've had this bag for a year now, and I do see a little bit of color change. It's really nice. After I buy a bag, I do put some bag conditioner on the leather parts, and sometimes I do spray some leather protection on it just in case. So far I don't see any damage on the leather part. So on the back there is a little pocket. Maybe you can put like receipts, parking cards, parking passes, maybe even your phone. I never tried putting my phone, but it will look a little bit weird. I have a XS Max. I never bothered to upgrade to the new iPhone. I'm not sure about it. I like my phone. I do like the details about this bag. There is a lock with a key. I have the big zipper here. Here are the straps. You can adjust the length of the strap Right now it's at the maximum length, so I can carry it like a crossbody. I will put some shots over here. They have the buckles on both sides, so you can adjust the length of the strap. The quality of this bag is very good, and the opening is actually pretty big. I can easily put my hand in and out, and the inside is microfiber lining, and this one is made in Italy. There is a small pocket here. Side, I just find a hairband. I don't even know when I put it. Anyway, it's just a big compartment. I mean, you can get a bag organizer for sure. Personally, for me, I don't really need that. I've seen people wear this like a backpack. I guess you can put your strap through here and make it a backpack, but personally I use it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. I love both ways. So right now it's at the maximum length, so I can wear it as a crossbody. Adjust the length through the holes here. So basically there are 3 settings. So right now it's at the longest length, and then I can shorten it to here and then shorten it either further. So now let's change the length to make it a shoulder bag. Then the other side, same thing. You can tell from the strap that I've already used this bag for a while. I actually kind of like how the strap is right now. I just think it's more casual, and it's just very unique and very nice. You can even change it further. I'm 5'6", so this is where I use as a shoulder bag, but it does have a shorter setting as well, so if you want to make it even shorter, you can definitely go for it. This bag is very spacious. Now let's see how much can fit in this bag. Currently, I'm using the small wallet from Louis Vuitton. I talk about the SLG collection in a separate video, so I will link that here. So the wallet, and have my key pouch. I talk about this key pouch in the same video, so go check it out if you're interested. My phone. Hand sanitizer. Hand cream. Have a small perfume from Hermes. Sunglasses. There's still a lot of room left, so if you like to vlog, I have my GoPro here. So I have my bag and a GoPro. No problem at all. I think you can fit in your small camera for vlogging. So if you look, there's still some room left. It's a little bit heavy now because I really put into a lot of stuff, but it doesn't really change the shape of the bag. Let me close this. Voila! It can fit a ton in this bag. I really like this bag. You know, Louis Vuitton started from making luggage bags. This bag has that part of history in it. I just think it's so special. I don't think you can get this print anymore, unfortunately, but this bag does look great in the monogram canvas as well as the leather version. I like them all, and I also think this bag is very functional. You can fit a lot of stuff in this, and the strap here is not too thin, so when I carry a lot of stuff, it doesn't hurt me as much. I brought this bag with me last year when I went to Indonesia for vacation. I had no problem with this bag. I think it's very durable, very functional, and I highly recommend getting this one if you also like the design. I hope you like this video, and I hope you could leave a comment to support me and also hit the like button. If you don't like this video, also leave a comment and tell me what you're thinking about the video and we can communicate. Also, if you like this video, if you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I have new videos every Friday. And I hope I will see you very soon. Take care.